Today we're going to talk about the wearing nipple and the water leg assembly in reference to the vessel and your heater treater. There's many good videos out that address the internal workings of the heater. Very few address the internal workings of the water leg and the wear nipple assembly and the adjustment of that. So we'll be focusing here on the water leg assembly on our model. On the inside your vessel, you'll basically have 60% water volume, 40% oil and gas on top of that. Your adjustment of your wear nipple, which is inside here, this white piece traveling down, the adjustment of that will be what adjusts the level of your water, or the interface level, which the interface level is where the oil and the water comes together as it separates in the vessel. So your adjustment rod is here, which is connected with a bolt to your wear nipple assembly inside. The flow of the fluid will be pushed out down the bottom of the vessel through your water leg. It travels up on the ID of your wear nipple assembly, comes out the top, overflows to your downcomer, which comes to your dump valve, and then travels on to your water tank or your stock tank, wherever you're taking it to. So let me show you the adjustment on the wear nipple. If you can see right here, this is the water level that the sight glass is showing in your vessel. This is the top of your wear nipple here. So currently it's overflowing down. You take this wear nipple and you adjust it up, you'll see that the water level is adjusted up. It'll make its way on up till it starts overflowing the top of your wear nipple. So what we done, we just raised the level inside the heater to have get to that 60% volume inside your heater. It's coming down the downcomer to your dump valve. This downcomer will fill up. The pressure of the water, hydrostatic head of the water, will allow this dump valve to open and dump the water outside into your stock tank. Let's adjust the rod down. You should watch this level and down here. You can see where it's making its way down here. So as a rule of thumb, 1 inch of travel on your adjustment rod is approximately 4 inches of volume travel, either up or down, whichever way you're adjusting it in your vessel. This is a rule of thumb. A lot of things factor into that. Your weight of your fluid, the gravity of your fluid, how much oil you have on top, various things in there. So there's several things that go wrong with the internals of a water leg that will affect your water level in your vessel. One of the things we have is an O-ring plate that is built into your water leg right here. Your wear nipple goes down through the O-ring, and it has a seal. So this fluid coming up through here stops at this O-ring plate, which forces your fluid on the ID of your wear nipple, which is the white piece, and out the top. This O-ring can become compromised and allows fluid to come from the OD of the wear nipple and the ID of your tube here. Fluid will come up through there, which will lower your fluid down somewhere in this level here. Here's our water leg assembly with wear nipple installed into it. Let me explain the O-ring plate. This O-ring plate is installed during fabrication right here in the center. It does have an O-ring that is put in place. So the fluid comes in the bottom of the water leg, travels up, and is sealed from this O-ring from going any further here. So it travels through the ID of the wear nipple, overflows out here, and then this comes to your downcomer and to your dump valve. So your basic adjustments on your wear nipple is right here. You just either slide it up or down from your packing assembly up at the top and your T-handle. So the O-ring and the O-ring plate is a vital part of the operation of the wear nipple. Also, you have a connecting bolt here between your rod and your wear nipple right here. If that becomes corroded or it breaks for whatever reason, when you go to adjust your rod, your adjustment rod, the rod is the only thing that's traveling and not your wear nipple. So you will not get any kind of adjustment in your vessel here. That is usually put in, installed in as a stainless steel bolt to prolong the corrosion effect. Also, you will have a valve right here on your gas section. This piping comes off of the top of your vessel where the gas section is and provides equal pressure in your water leg as it in your vessel. If this becomes plugged or the valve becomes shut, what will happen when this valve becomes closed or this line becomes plugged, you lose your gas pressure inside your water leg, and that creates the gas pressure in your vessel and the water level in your vessel to have a siphon effect up and out, and will drain your heater down, and you'll lose your level in that respect as well. So this is the basic operation of your water leg assembly and your wear nipple adjustment and assembly. I thank you for watching the video. There will be other videos to come. See you next time.